Gaoce has taken the lead in creating thinner diamond wire through technological innovation. With strategic foresight, the company established a significant presence in Shaanxi province in 2017 by building diamond wire manufacturing bases in Tianji and Huguan to integrate local industrial resources deeply. In 2022, the construction of the Huguan Phase 1 project kicked off, targeting an annual output of 40 million kilometers of diamond wire. With the project's successful completion of construction and ramp-up of production capacity, Gaoce has now attained a yearly production capacity of 150 million kilometers of diamond wire, being able to serve diverse applications, including photovoltaic silicon, semiconductor materials, and sapphire, with large-scale production. From strategic deployment to a dramatic increase in production capacity, Gaoce has demonstrated meticulous attention to detail in its diamond wire manufacturing. The company has consistently led the industry in establishing advanced production capacity for diamond wire, progressing from 16-wire production line to 20-wire production line. Through continuous technological iteration, Gaoce has achieved a leap in both product performance and production efficiency. At the Huguan Phase 1 facility, which commenced operations in 2024, the diamond wire manufacturing workshop has adopted the configuration of 20 wires per production line. The facility has substantially enhanced manufacturing efficiency by continuously optimizing production equipment and processes. The workshop's automated production lines are deeply empowered by machine vision technology, enabling quality monitoring throughout the fabrication process. In the finished product inspection workshop, a multi-tiered quality inspection system provides stringent control at every stage. This meticulous approach ensures optimum key metrics, erecting dual safeguards for product quality. Computer vision, robotics, and many other advanced technologies are employed in the automated packaging workshop. High-speed visual cameras closely track each roll of diamond wire, capturing detailed information including model, specifications, and production batch, ensuring this data is precisely registered. The products then undergo vacuum sealing to eliminate the risk of oxidation. Adhering to a spirit of meticulous craftsmanship, Gaoce maintains micron-level precision throughout every stage of the manufacturing process. This dedication ensures that each spool of diamond wire is delivered to the market with exceptional quality, helping clients reduce costs and enhance efficiency.